Hey guys, it's Bobby here and welcome to the How to Make Money on TikTok series. Today I'm going to talk about how to make money on TikTok. Alright guys, so if you guys are excited as me, comment down below yes and a thumbs up please. So number one, you have to grow your TikTok channel and account and sell it to others, to influencers, right? So you go ahead and start a new account, make it a niche account, whether it's a real estate account, right? And then you build up the authority on real estate hashtags, hashtag wholesalers, hashtag short sales, hashtag house flipping, right? And then you build that authority and whatever the market calls for, right? You go ahead into websites and see what the going rate is for real estate TikTok accounts, whether it's 1,000 count. Because remember, once you hit 1,000, you can go ahead and go live, put a link in your bio, and also be able to monetize with TikTok there, right? So yeah, whether it's 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, 50,000 followers, whatever your niche and market goes for, you go ahead and hit that and put that for sale. So please comment down below if you guys actually have ever heard of that or if you're actually doing that. So number two, you could go ahead and do a TikTok live, right? And do a product launch on your TikTok live. Disclaimer, you do have to have 1,000 followers before you can actually go live. Yeah, so if you guys want to know how to get to 1,000 followers quickly or the easiest way, I will make a video on how to grow on TikTok right up there, and I'll link it right up there for you guys. So on the TikTok live, you go ahead and you can showcase something that you just launched. So if it's a physical product, right, you can be like, hey, look, my traffic secrets book here. Just launched my book. Comment down below, and then also check the bio, the link in the bio, where I can actually give you that link. So if it's a physical product, you can go ahead and show the book physically in your hand, right? And say, hey, if you guys want some of this here, the traffic secret book, we have a special going on. Comment down below if you're interested, or check the link in the bio and you'll get an instant 50% off just for this live launch. So if it's a physical product, you do that. If it's a digital product, you can also tell them, the link in the description will lead you to that course, that $9.97 course that you're selling. And number three would be, as I alluded to, you can put your product links or affiliate links in your bio. Only one though, right? You can put it in your bio. So the key to selling something on your bio is to captioning that you have the product link in the bio, telling them on your TikTok video that you do have the link to the product in your bio. Remember, people will not know unless you tell them, okay? You gotta tell them exactly what to do. Number four is to go live, right? Make money going live. How do you make money going live? Go live and people will go ahead and watch you, and then the viewers could send you donations, coins, right? And then you could collect those donations from the viewers and you can actually turn those into money, right? You collect the coins and then you convert it to something what they call diamonds, and then diamonds go ahead and convert to cash in PayPal, right? So you send it to PayPal and you can cash that out. Recap, you do a live, right, on your niche, and then all you do is talk, give them value, right? And then the viewers will donate to you. You use the coins, convert it to diamonds, and then send it to PayPal, and you can cash it out. Got it? Awesome. So give me a thumbs up if you do like this type of content, and just comment down below. I want to know how you are monetizing on TikTok. Number five, you can make money on what they call TikTok ads, right? So TikTok ads. So this is fairly new because it's a newer platform. But so once you go ahead and grow your channel to a lot of followers, like thousands and thousands of followers, you can go ahead and monetize on ads. All right. So TikTok ads. So if you want to know more about TikTok ads, it's fairly new to me as well. But you can check out the video there. It will explain a lot more in that video versus now. Number six, offer management services. Okay, so people on TikTok may not know how to craft their offers, right? So you can be the one that can help them with content creation, content schedule, what to post, when to post. You can also be the one who can manage their offers, their incoming deals, their brand deals, their anything that will go ahead and make a business transaction. You can be the middleman, the manager, right? You can also help with storytelling, helping them craft their origin story and they're telling their background, right? Because remember, you need to get a headline to hook them in and go ahead and tell a story to sell them, right? And a call to action. Hook, story, offer, guys. Remember that framework I told you last time. And if you don't remember, I made the framework in this video here. And the 7th way is consulting services, right? So once you get good at TikTok, think of Instagram influencers, right? Instagram consultants. There are people out there who make courses on TikTok. There are people out there who make courses on Instagram and Facebook. And people will pay them for their expertise because they don't want to learn that, right? So it's more of, yeah, Bobby, why don't you come over here on my TikTok account and blow it up for me? Does that make sense? All right, guys, so this concludes the how to make money on TikTok video. Stay tuned to the next video in the how to make money on TikTok series, which would indicate how to grow on TikTok, right? Yeah, guys, so make sure to check out the video that's suggested to you here, and then check out the playlist and check out the how to make money on TikTok playlist here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do it here in my face right there. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.